The Viking Saga, The Path of Aery. Chapter 1. Child of the North. In the fjords of the north, Eric was born beneath the shimmering auroras. His mother whispered, "The gods are calling you, my son. You will not be ordinary." As he grew, the elders told him of his father, a warrior who once fought beside Thor against the giants. One night, Eric dreamed of a wolf breaking its chains, eyes blazing like fire. The shaman Skadi said, "That wolf is Fenrir. If you have seen him, your fate is bound to Ragnarok." Chapter 2. The First Voyage. Eric joined the young warriors on a dragon-headed draka. As the ship cut through the waves, the auroras revealed Odin's one-eyed gaze. Odin spoke, "Your path leads to Ragnarok. Courage will make you equal to the gods." A storm rose, and from the depths came the kraken. Eric struck its eye with his axe, thunder roared, and he knew the gods were watching. Chapter 3. Blood and Wave. Returning home, raiders attacked the village. Eric seized his father's shield and fought. Amidst the clash, a wolf's howl echoed in the sky, Fenrir's omen. With blood on his hands, Eric realized he was no longer a boy, but chosen by the gods. Chapter 4. Whispers of the Gods. At night, Odin's raven perched before him. The god's voice thundered, "Your courage will carry you to Ragnarok, but your path is filled with blood, betrayal, and fire." Chapter 5. Love and Betrayal. Freya, his childhood companion, sang with him under stormy skies. Yet Ragnar, jealous of Eric's rise, betrayed the village by conspiring with enemies. Freya wept, "Your path is with the gods, his path is with darkness." Chapter 6. Realm of Giants. Eric journeyed to Jotunheim, land of frost giants. A descendant of Ymir rose against him. Thor's thunder split the sky. To fight giants is the work of gods, yet you walk our path. Eric's axe struck the giant down. He knew the gods were testing him. Chapter 7. Thor's Hammer. Thor appeared, wielding Mjolnir. He demanded Eric bring him the heart of a slain giant. Eric obeyed, and Thor declared, "Your path is the path of the gods." Chapter 8. The Midgard Serpent. At sea, the waters trembled. Jormungandr, the world serpent, rose. Thor battled it, but even he could not end the beast. Eric drove his axe into its fangs, forcing it back. He knew this was a shadow of the battle to come at Ragnarok. Chapter 9. Loki in the Dark. In a cavern, Eric met Loki. The trickster laughed, "You are in the gods' game, but I write the rules." He offered 3 choices: power, wisdom, or betrayal. Eric stayed silent. Loki vanished, leaving only chaos behind. Chapter 10. Surtur's Fire. Eric entered Muspelheim, realm of fire. Surtur, with his blazing sword, roared, "At Ragnarok I will burn the world. Your path must cross my flames." Eric fought with the strength of Thor's thunder, Odin's wisdom, and Freya's love. The clash shook the mountains. Chapter 11. Lost Souls. In Helheim, Eric saw the souls of the dead. Among them was his father, who said, "Son, your path leads to Ragnarok. Even gods cannot escape fate." Hel, the goddess of death, whispered, "Your heart is strong, but Ragnarok will test every soul." Chapter 12. The Call of Ragnarok. Back in his village, the sky darkened. Ravens screamed, wolves howled. Odin's voice thundered, "The time has come. Ragnarok approaches." Thor raised Mjolnir, Loki laughed, Surtur lifted his sword, Fenrir broke his chains, and Jormungandr rose from the sea. Eric lifted his shield. The final war had begun. Chapter 13. Fenrir's Chains. Fenrir burst free, his breath melting mountains. Odin's ravens circled, Thor struck lightning, but the wolf's power was unstoppable. Eric remembered his dream. He struck the chains with his axe. Fenrir was unleashed. Ragnarok was here. Chapter 14. The Final Battle. The battlefield burned. Surtur's sword drowned the world in fire. Thor fought Jormungandr, but fell to its venom. Odin was devoured by Fenrir. Loki betrayed the gods openly. Eric fought beside the gods, his axe cutting through giants and beasts. Yet destiny claimed them all. Chapter 15. The New World. After fire and silence, dawn returned. The auroras danced once more. The earth sprouted green, seas calmed. Eric stood among the ruins. Freya came to him, eyes filled with hope. This new world will be ours. You walked the path of gods, now you open the path of humankind. Eric planted his axe in the soil, raised his shield to the sky. His name became legend, the first hero of the new world. Come to the end of our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel.